Your support agent opens a fresh ticket. The first thing they type, "What is your order number?" The customer already entered it at checkout 10 minutes ago. This needless back and forth is costing your team time on every single ticket, and Zendesk messaging conversation metadata is the fix. Every time a customer contacts support, your agents kick off with the same interrogation: account number, order ID, which product. Your system already knows all of this. The repeat questions frustrate customers and slow your team down before the real conversation even starts. Zendesk messaging metadata gives you two tools. Conversation fields pass structured data directly into tickets, order numbers, SKUs, and booking references that populate automatically before an agent says hello. Conversation tags are simpler labels like VIP, customer, or mobile app that drive routing and filtering without any manual work. Before you write a single line of code, check 4 things. You need Zendesk with the modern messaging widget enabled, not the classic chat widget. You need custom ticket fields created in Admin Center, developer access to your website or app, and one specific use case to start with. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, then Tickets, then Fields. Choose the field type that matches your data: text for order numbers, drop-down for categories, or checkbox for yes and no flags. The setting that trips most teams up is permissions. It must say customers can edit, or the metadata API simply cannot write to it. Once the field is created, note the field ID shown in the URL or the field details panel. You need this exact number in your code. Set a readable title in case customers see the field inside a bot conversation. Test by creating a ticket manually to confirm the field appears before touching any API calls. On your website, one JavaScript call does all the work. You pass the field ID and value to the Messenger set conversation fields command, and the data travels with the conversation straight into the resulting ticket. Set this after the widget loads, but before the user starts chatting, and always clear the fields with an empty array when users log out. Mobile apps use the exact same concept with platform-native syntax. On iOS, you call set conversation fields on the messaging instance with a dictionary of field IDs and values. On Android, the Kotlin SDK takes a list of ticket field objects. Both platforms include matching clear methods so you can reset everything cleanly on sign-out. Metadata becomes even more powerful inside Zendesk AI agent flows. Fields you set through the API can pre-populate bot form steps automatically, so customers confirm rather than retype. Your bot can branch based on field values, routing an enterprise customer to a senior agent instantly, while a basic tier user gets self-service steps first. The patterns repeat across every industry. E-commerce teams pass product SKUs and order numbers from checkout pages. Travel companies attach itinerary codes from booking confirmation screens. Support teams tag VIP customers at login so routing triggers fire before the agent opens the ticket. If you want all of this without writing JavaScript, eesel AI handles the automation layer in plain English. You describe the rule. When a new ticket arrives, look up the customer's latest order in Shopify and populate the order ID field. eesel runs it automatically with no code, no developer time, and connections to over 100 data sources including Salesforce, Airtable, and custom databases. Stop making customers repeat information your system already knows. Set up Zendesk messaging metadata to give every agent instant context from the first message, or let eesel AI automate it for you without a single line of code. Try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai.